You started your career with call center. आज के टाइम पे आप बहुत बड़ी कंपनी में एक बहुत ही अच्छा रेपुटेड पोजीशन होल्ड कर रही हैं.
You don't hit rock bottom, you'll not realize the value of rising again and growing again.
So today we have Dolly Palan in our house. She is VP Operational Excellence in EXL.
तो जो लोग इस इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रहे हैं उनसे हम एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि यार तुमने कुछ डिफरेंट किया है पिछले पूरे साल. हम पूछते हैं कि कोविड वाज वर्क फ्रॉम होम, डिड यू अपस्किल योरसेल्फ इन एनी फॉर्मेशन? लिंक्डइन इतने फ्री कोर्सेज ऑफर कर रहे हैं, डिड यू इवन पिक अप वन?
No job is, हम कह सकते हैं कि ये बहुत छोटी प्रोफाइल है. No, every job is important and every job is having its own value.
Bonds legally in India hold no value. वो आप करा सकते हो कराने के लिए, बट आप उसको कोर्ट ऑफ लॉ में नहीं लेके जा सकते to hold anybody accountable. You know, in the corporate world, the higher you grow, you'll realize that it's very easy for people to put a blame on each other and move away. I was the one who was given all the blame, who was put down to rock bottom. I got to a point where I thought I should quit the organization.
So what is the basic difference between outsourcing and transition?
The whole BPO industry has evolved. We went from just being insurance to being utilities to being travel. कि अच्छा आपकी टिकटिंग होती है example, right? कि आप किसी भी airlines में international travel book करते हो. Someone calling in the US, I want to book a ticket to India. That call will get routed to India. We do a lot of finance and accounting here.
Okay.
That was one more evolution that happened. By nature हमें पता है कि डेबिट क्रेडिट क्या है. अब यूके के पास रिसेशन से निकलने का क्या जरिया है? कॉस्ट कम करना.
Yes.
The only way out, because inflation is creating a problem. So आप क्या करोगे अपनी कॉस्ट कम करने के लिए? You have no choice but to outsource your work.
How multinational corporation actually approach for getting the projects?
So in a way, recession sometimes is considered as a boon for the outsourcing industry, because जितना ज़्यादा abroad और west में recession है, उतना ज़्यादा outsourcing बढ़ेगा.
In terms of client expectation, what observation you have? The changes जो आपने face किए होंगे कि यार 10 साल पहले client ऐसा expect कर रहा था. In last 5 years, I have seen this drastic change in clients' expectations.
US के जितने भी इंश्योरेंस ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं, largely they have got very age old systems. उसमें AI embed होना is very difficult.
Yeah. So what kind of changes that you have seen in this industry?
Otherwise, what the clients expect है AI चाहिए हमें, because it's the buzzword, right? AI कहाँ लगेगा? पुराने systems पे नहीं लग पाएगा.